What's up? It's your girl, Just Jamie XO here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you guys can finally see my room, and I can have this as my backdrop in videos now, so yay! If you haven't seen my room makeover video, I will link it up above so you guys can check that out. But today's video is actually so fun for me because this is a project I've been working on for a minute, trying to find an all natural, zero waste way of styling my naturally curly hair. And what better day for it to come out on than Earth Day 2020. So I know obviously the world is in disarray right now, but Earth Day still exists, and Earth Day is today. And guys, I love Earth Day because, as you guys know, I've said this multiple times, but I really am trying to become more eco-friendly because, you know, if I want to have kids, they kind of need a planet to be on. And if they want to have kids, they have to have a planet to be on, and so on and so forth. So I've been trying to make some eco-friendly changes and just really noticing things that are so wasteful and unnecessary, that are habits and things that we all practice and do and don't really think about. And one thing that I thought was a big kind of wasteful thing that I do is I buy millions of hair products. And so many of them do not work in all actuality. And yes, they do get upcycled or used by a friend, or I just use them up even though I hate them. I work it out some kind of way, but I thought it would be really cool if I could try and figure out an all natural way to style my hair and do it with things that you could easily pick up at a grocery store or things that you probably already have in your house, and make your hair look great. This is how my hair came out. This is the finished product after I fluffed it out and everything, so you guys are getting a sneak peek. But yes, guys, I'm so excited to show this video to you. If you enjoy some all natural beauty hacks and you guys want to see more of these types of videos, because I have tons of ideas. Y'all, this quarantine has got me in a whole creative conundrum because I have nothing to do. I'm usually out socializing, and you can only have so many FaceTime calls, you know what I'm saying? So I have been really creative, and I've been coming up with different all natural recipes for hair and skincare. So if you guys want to start seeing that type of content on this channel, this video a thumbs up. And with that, guys, we are going to jump into the video. So guys, this recipe is so simple. You only need 3 ingredients, and you are going to apply this to your hair before you wash it. So first, you're going to use coconut milk. Next, you're going to need some honey. It does not have to be organic, raw, or unfiltered. Just use whatever you have in your house. And lastly, you're going to need some rosemary oil or whatever other essential oil you have around. And guys, the reasons we're using these 3 ingredients, and we're simply just blending them together in a blender and applying it to our hair when it's dry, we're using them because A, coconut milk is high in lauric acid, protein, and vitamins B, C, and E. It has also been shown to slow hair loss because it strengthens your hair's cuticle. So we all want to keep that thick, luscious, full head of hair, which is why we are using coconut milk. Now guys, we're only using 2 tablespoons of honey, and I think honey is such an easy one to add in because it promotes cell growth, and it's also an amazing emollient and humectant. So it's full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids, and it's anti-inflammatory and can help with scalp conditions. In my case, my scalp is always dry and irritated in some kind of way. I think a lot of that has to do with eczema because I do get small eczema flare-ups when I am stressed out, and currently with the pandemic going on, I am clearly stressed out. So, as we all are. So I thought that honey would be a great one to help calm down my little bits of eczema that I'm getting on my scalp. And lastly, I'm using rosemary oil. Guys, rosemary oil is one of my favorite hair oils, and that is because it improves circulation and it promotes nerve growth. It's also anti-inflammatory, but the big reason why I love it is that it improves circulation. The improved circulation is going to help with hair growth. You guys know I cut my hair. If you haven't seen that haircut video, I will link it up above. I was quite tipsy when I did that haircut, and I love my new haircut. I think it is gorgeous. I think it is like the perfect cut But as always, I love when my hair is growing longer and thicker because my ultimate goal is to grow my hair to waist length, but the haircut was just for funsies and something new and different to do. And while I'm thriving in this haircut, I always want my hair to be growing and getting longer and stronger. So I think that rosemary oil is the best of the essential oils when it comes to promoting scalp health and seeing length. I noticed that whenever I used rosemary oil regularly in my hair care, my hair did grow a lot faster, and that's because it is improving circulation. Circulation is improving the blood flow to your scalp. It's feeding those hair cuticles and hair follicles and getting you some thick, strong hair. And guys, you can see I'm just straight up applying this to my hair. I put it in a little squirty lotion bottle that I repurposed, I upcycled. So again, we are being zero waste, and I'm just using this to simply apply to my hair. I know in this video I'm using some plastics, like the honey comes in plastics, and that's because I'm using whatever I have around my house. Clearly, if you have honey that comes in glass, it will make this video even more zero waste for you. But for me, I'm doing the best with what I have in the house. Obviously, we're in quarantine, and I just want to show you guys how you can be super eco-friendly, even with the things you have around your house that maybe you think you can't be. So guys, once I apply this all over my hair, I'm actually going to leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to get in the shower and rinse it off. And when I tell you, I know it feels weird to do your conditioner before you wash your hair, trust me, this mask, the moisture will stay in your hair and your hair will feel fantastic. So guys, now we are in the shower and I am just rinsing out that mask. My hair felt super soft and moisturized. I loved the feeling of my hair, but I thought it was time to get in there with a shampoo. So I'm using apple cider vinegar to wash my hair because apple cider vinegar has so many benefits for your hair. For those of us who have dry, frizzy hair, our hair tends to be more alkaline, and apple cider vinegar is acidic, so it's going to help calm down and rebalance your hair's pH value, which will help fight dryness and frizz. It's also antimicrobial and has tons of vitamins like C and B, and it's anti-inflammatory. Now to style my hair, I'm going to be doing a twist out. As you guys can see, I'm prepping it and I'm just using some shea butter. Shea butter is one of those super easy products to get your hands on. Make sure you're getting something that's raw and unrefined if you can. If not, use the shea butter around your house for now until you can grab some. It helps treat eczema, which is something I struggle with. It is also anti-inflammatory. You see a theme there. We really don't want our hair and scalp to be inflamed or irritated. It helps with cell regeneration and boosts collagen, as well as being super moisturizing with vitamins A and E. So all of these things together will give you a nice, fluffy, pop-in hairstyle. I mean, you can do whatever you like with this. You guys can see I'm doing a chunky twist out, and this is how my hair came out. I personally love how my hair came out. I think it's fluffy, it's soft, it's big, it's cute, and it was a really easy way to do my hair. And at night, I'll just retwist it and keep my hair styled in this way. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!